next day we got down and we took the 2 all the way down to Skagway right here. And this is where we spent a couple nights, and we're catching the ferry, and we're going to be going down to Juneau on the ferry tomorrow. The vegetation is getting greener and greener. The smoke doesn't seem as bad down here. And then we're actually going to turn off before we get to Skagway to get to the campground. So we're going to do that first. We're going to take a detour on Dyea Road into the national park, and then there's a campground in there. Yep, there it is. Road turns to dirt and rock, so we got 5 miles to go on this, and then we should be there. It's a little more sunnier here, which is nice. Oh, there must have been a rock slide. Oh, that guy didn't even slow down. Look at that. There's a big old rock slide that happened there. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Then we go around this and down that. And up again.
Smokehead gang.
Let me guess, they're rentals. Hey, it looks like fun though.
Yeah.
I did that in Key West. It was fun. Matthews Creek. Oops. And we go back down this other peninsula and then back up. Oh, this kind of reminds me of when we were going around that lake that one time. We were with the fifth wheel. And it was about like this with that momentum, huh? Bear Lake. That was Bear Lake, huh? Yeah, much easier. All these blind curves. Yep, campground. Ranger station and trailhead. And now, try and find a spot in here. Oh, it's better in the truck camper, that's for sure. Here's the Herrera National Park ground. It's pretty inexpensive. It only cost us like $5, and then you go in town next to the ferry and it's $45, so definitely more economical to stay here. And it's quiet. You got the trees. No cruise ship people. Really nice. And we got this huge spot here. We mostly picked it because it gets a lot of sunlight during the day for our solar. So that's kind of why we picked this area. The rest were pretty shaded, which is nice if you need shade. But once you get solar, all of a sudden you need sun. And over here, got a nice area right next to the river. The water's pretty muddy. And then we saw some people doing some rafting too. Still a little hazy today. But still real pretty. We're gonna go into check out the Aurora abandoned town, and then we're gonna go into Skagway.
Blue Moon Explorers, living the dream.
Make sure and subscribe to us. Hit the like button. And let us know what you think in the comments below. You can see us on Facebook and Instagram.
See you later.
Living the dream.